Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Power BI desktop report. This is a great way to brand your dashboards and make them look more professional, especially when sharing reports with clients or stakeholders. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded and you have your report open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find various tabs for different functions. Click on Insert. This tab contains all the tools you need to add visual elements to your report. After clicking Insert, look for the image option and click on it. This action will initiate the process of adding an external image file to your current report page. As soon as you click Image, you'll notice that the interface shifts slightly. On the right side of your screen, a new panel should appear labeled Format Image. This is where you'll control all the styling and positioning options for the logo you're about to add. It's important to familiarize yourself with this panel as it gives you precise control over how your image appears on the report. Within the Format Image panel, you'll see several options. Click on Style to expand those settings. Under Style, you'll find another option called Image. Go ahead and click on Image. This section is specifically designed to let you select and configure the actual image file you want to use as your logo. Now comes the part where you actually select your logo file. Look for a button that says Browse and click on it. This will open your system's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Take a moment to locate the folder where your logo is saved. Once you've found it, click on the logo file to select it. The file browser will close and your logo should now appear on your Power BI report canvas. At this point, your logo is likely not the right size for your needs. You'll want to resize your image to make it fit appropriately with your report layout. Click on the image itself and you should see small handles appear around its edges. Drag these handles inward or outward to make the logo smaller or larger. Try to maintain the proper proportions so your logo doesn't appear stretched or distorted. After resizing, you'll probably want to reposition the logo. Most people prefer placing their company logo in one of the corners of the report, typically the top left or top right. Simply click and drag the image to whichever corner works best for your design. You can fine-tune the position by clicking the image and using your arrow keys for precise movements if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your Power BI desktop report. Your dashboard now has that professional branded look that makes it ready for presentation or distribution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.